treasure, learn science, technology. Where can you begin to make your dreams all come true? On the land or on the sea? Where can you learn to fly, play in sports or skin dive, study oceanography? Sign up for the big band or sit in the grandstand when your team and others meet. In the Navy, yes you can sail the seven seas. In the Navy, yes you can put your mind at ease. In the Navy.